If you are finding a lot of dust bunnies under your bed or under your couch, I got a solution for you. Hey guys, it's Carmen DiMaria, and our friend sent out this super power turbo fan for us to test out. And I gotta be honest with you, this thing is awesome. It's an all aluminum body. It has 3 different speeds, but let's be real. Why would you use anything other than full speed all the time, right? But I guess sometimes when you're doing the light speed, is nice because it's not as powerful and you have a little more control and you don't have stuff blowing all over the place. I have been using this thing around the house to blow out all the junk that is under our furniture, that is under our couches, that is under our beds, because you just don't get to them when you're vacuuming. And this is also nice to use when you are washing your car. If you are somebody who is detailing and you want to make sure that there's no water anywhere, this thing is super powerful. I mean, ready? Here we go. You see the camera wiggling? That's because the tripod is wiggling because of the blower here. It's got a power button on the back. You're just going to hold that until the lights come on. It has a power indicator on the bottom. This is how much power the battery has left. To change the speed, you're just going to go ahead and tap. And what's cool about when you lower the speed, so like now that I'm on speed, we'll go back to speed 2. So I'm on speed 2 here. What's cool is you can just tap it and it stays on. And then you tap it to turn it off. When it's on speed 1, it'll do the same thing. So we're on speed 1 and it's just going to stay on. You tap it. But when it's on speed 3, that doesn't work because, I mean, you can almost see like the power it's blowing back. So it comes with a charger and it comes with some different attachments. So overall, I want to just do a quick little demo. I got some, debris on my driveway here from rain and whatnot. So we're just going to, just blows right off, no problem. Now, obviously, this is not going to take a replacement of your leaf blower that you have when you're doing yard work, but for quick cleanup around the house or some quick cleanup around the car, you're doing detailing and you want to get into those tight spots, or maybe you're like me and you park under a tree and you get a bunch of leaves in tight spots in your car. This is fantastic to get in there and really blow it around. The attachments have been nice as well because they allow you to get into those even smaller crevices. So the attachments here are just a small cone. Inside here is another cone, and then there is one more in here. And what's nice about this is, as again, I know I keep saying I use it for cleaning, but it's really super convenient for cleaning. This one's nice because you can really get into some tight crevices if you have keyboards that you need to clean that haven't been cleaned in a really long time. So this just, the outer part unscrews, and then you just go ahead and screw on the other thing, which I really like because then you don't have to worry about something falling off. So now this is going to be a more condensed stream here. See, it's a little different. And that was just on speed 2. Whoop. So that's on speed 2. So overall, I think this is really cool. If you're in the market for a lightweight, compact, small blower, look no further and go check out our friends.